Hell, eh? You don't scare me. I used to work in a corporate office. Day 1 started out cool with some sunshine and damp roads. Unfortunately, there were more damp roads in the forecast. This is the Cowboy Trail. This part of it runs along the foothills of the Rockies. There are numerous historical ranches and horseback riding excursions along this route, and it just looks like cowboys should be riding out here. Diamond Valley is a merger of two towns, Black Diamond and Turner Valley. Turner Valley was where Alberta's riches began in 1914 with the discovery of natural gas. Longview is the home of Ian Tyson, Great Beef, the Longview Hotel, great biker hangout, and the Highwood River. The further south you go on the Cowboy Trail, the better the scenery gets. Although I just can't seem to shake those clouds.
We are just on the Crow's Nest Pass here. Just kind of right on the edge of the mountains, right on the edge of the Rockies here. Fortunately, so far I've only had about 10 drops of rain. It's not real warm, but you know what? That's okay, I'm not wet. So far, good start to a trip.
This reservoir has been dry for a few years. It's good to see some water in it again. I'm in Pincher Creek, just stopped to have myself a breakfast sandwich and a coffee. So next I think we're going to be crossing the border and we're into Montana after that. Some of you may have noticed by now that my brother isn't with me this year. I guess he didn't feel like going to hell with me. Oh well. I hit a small but intense shower that forced me to stop and put on my rain gear. Fortunately, I was able to peel it off about 15 minutes later. It started raining on me again right at the US border. Is that a sign to turn around? Nah. This highway is smooth and curvy, just how I like them. As you can see, I am questioning why it keeps raining on me. It's just enough to get damp, then it quits. Somebody is messing with me.
This is St. Mary. This is the gateway to the Going to the Sun Road, but I'm going to guess the weather up there is probably less than spectacular right now. This is a really awesome highway. The pavement is great. It's about a 50 mile an hour, so the speed's perfect. It's nice and curvy. The scenery is just stellar. This is awesome. I am just south of St. Mary, Montana. If this is what the road to hell looks like, boy, am I going to enjoy staying there.
Once you start heading a bit southeast, the prairies take over again. They're not as picturesque as the mountains, but the rolling hills are a nice touch. The devil would probably spend your tax dollars on torture devices, but at least that way you would get to see some results. There was no room at this inn, but the hotel across the street had space for me.
Made it to Great Falls. Just getting settled in for the night. Looks like I beat some more weather. This doesn't look too terrible. But kind of dodging it all day. So I'm here. Good time. Let's go find ourselves something to eat. Cheers. I really hope they still have beer in hell. All right. I am fed and watered, and it looks like the wind has finally died down, which is great. So I think I'm gonna call it a night, relax, and get my itinerary ready for tomorrow. I believe tomorrow we're hitting the Beartooth Pass, Chief Joseph Scenic Byway, and we're going to end up in Cody, Wyoming. So I wouldn't mind a little warmer weather. I'm kind of cold-blooded by nature, but it was a good day today. Just got sprinkled on a little bit. See you guys in the morning.